Yeah, exhaust leaks. You hear it?
Yeah.
Sounds like a chainsaw.
It does. Supposed to be over here?
Yeah. Okay. Keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. If you have left the vehicle, you probably got thrown out of it.
Okay.
Have you ever been in this go-kart?
No.
It does 37 with Adler in it.
Well, I'm a lot heavier than Adler.
So expect to do about, over there was about half throttle.
I'm a lot heavier than Adler, so.
I'm just saying, we gotta make it sound thrilling. Okay?
Yeah.
I lied.
You're an asshole.
Oh, remember that R6 that my buddy wrecked?
No.
That orange bike that my buddy had and they wrecked it? Did you ever see it?
No.
Well, motor's in the go-kart. Ready?
No.
You ready?
No.
Are you ready?
Go for it.
Is that stupid fast or what?
Well, why do you think I was yelling enough? Enough.
Oh, you said enough? I thought you said go for it.
I did, and then when you went for it, I said enough.
Ah. Communication, sorry about that. Gotta keep it nice and easy.
You got what?
I gotta keep it nice and easy for you. I don't want to scare you.
Well, you've already done that.
I already have it? Did you say I have scared you? That's nothing. We're gonna do the scary shit over here.
No.
I gotta take it for a fun ride.
I don't want to do scary shit.
I'll keep it under 37. How fast do you think you've been so far?
No, I want to do 7.
You want to do 7? How fast do you think you've gone so far?
I don't know. Maybe 35, 40?
55, 40.
35, 40.
Probably 80.
How can you tell?
Huh?
How can you tell how fast it goes? This is what I'm going to
I normally judge it by if I'm passing the cars on the highway.
Well, those people don't know how to drive.
They're probably doing 80. Because everybody speeds on here.
Well, no
on.
I don't like that.
I didn't even get it out of third.
It's good.
It's got 6 gears.
No. I don't want to get out there. It starts dictating and my heart rate goes up.
What's the point?
Yeah, you don't want me to have a heart attack on the
You ain't gonna have a heart attack. I'll take you to the hospital and this, you'll be fine. This is street legal. I got turn signal, horns, all that shit, headlights, everything.
My wheel's not ready yet, though.
What?
My wheel's not made out yet, though.
I just took a life insurance policy out on you yesterday. I'm trying to collect. One more. This time I actually juice it and we'll stop before the end. Oh, that hurt your head?
Yeah, my head's pounding.
What'd you get in this?
Huh?
What'd you get in this then?
Because you told me to.
Alright, we'll be easy on the way home. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll do it.